Hello everyone, thank you very much for your attention. Today I want to introduce our new developed within our 20 voltage lithium battery platform, and this is a multi-vacuum clean and also as a blower. Let me show you. And this way is a vacuum clean, which can be also for the dry and also wet to absorb the water. So two speeds, one, and we have a high. Very strong. And so if we put the short one, we can also clean in the car, and we can also use it for at home to have extension as an optional parts. And if we turn here, then we change to the blower function here, and just turn, and then we move this and we put this part, and then we use here the hose. So let's see. Change to different hose. I will show you how to do vacuum clean later. Just show this one here. And you can also do your hair dryer. And okay, now I will show you the vacuum clean function, and we can do also high speed. Okay, let's see. We have also brushless version or brushed version, and just here change the filter and just put this down and then just throw it away. And we have for 2 amp and 4 amp battery, lithium battery.